My name is Aidelen Montoya. I create in the art, science, and craft intersections, doing seed bead replicas, mycelium collaboration, and bacterial performances. And a lot of my work is rooted in reclaiming a lot of spaces that were used to discriminate against Filipinos.
Hello, my name is Kenny Leon Andino. Focus on the topics of depression, essentialism, pure dark humor.
My name is Mulindwa, painter, but right now I'm currently working with pastels. I like to people watch. I also like to, depict people in their spaces. So that's currently what I'm doing right now. My work is about labor, places of labor, emphasizing the position of rest.
My name is Helen. I do photo and I draw. Art makes me feel comfortable and safe and happy.
I'm Doga Ertekin. I'm a conceptual artist and I do video performances, installations. Art makes me terrible. I'm sorry.
My name is Ligia Sato. I do photography, video performances, and installations. I think it's a way to express without words what you see and what you feel. And I think it's a powerful way also to connect with people without the language barriers.
My name is Marjan. My last name is Khorram. I came from Iran. I'm a multimedia artist. Also, I'm really passionate about nature. I really like plants. I love dogs. I don't like snow here, honestly.
My name is Meagan. The work that I'm kind of focusing on is the intersections between the human body and architectural forms, both in conscious memory and in physical bones.
My name is Misael Hernandez. I'm a photographer utilizing Adobe to create a physical archive and a cognitive experience through constructed images.
My name is Sudi. I do woodcut printmaking, creating monsters inspired by different cultures. Beneath the skin, we're all unique in our own ways. Monsters are not just projection of fear, they're also reflecting our human identity.
Wait. My name is Bella.
Hi, my name is Misael Hernandez.
Wait, I already forgot everything. Okay, I'm gonna keep laughing, but okay.
I'm not ready for it.
I love you, Sudi.
Okay, thank you for coming.